Hi guys, how are you? It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. Always glad when you join me. I like your company. We're doing a big fella today. We are doing a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas, bought on sale. Buy one, get one buy one, get one free at Michael's through Saturday. So life is good. I did a painting a while back. I haven't posted the video on it yet, but I really liked it. It wasn't quite 100% the composition that I was looking for, but I'm going to go ahead and show this to you. I hope you can see the colors in here, guys. This was fun for me, and I really like this big fella, and it dried very nice, and I was very fond of the colors. Now, I wanted to do it with a black base, but Michael's, everybody is out of Artist Sloth Flow Acrylics black. I do have some on order, should be here in a day or two, so I thought, what the heck? I just restocked up on the white. Let's do it again with a white base coat. And we have a big old jug of it right here, which is going to be a bear to pour. I might have to put that in a smaller container to put my base coat down. Let's talk about our colors. They're yummy. Blues and coppery golds. This is my wonderful paint that was sent to me by my wonderful friend Gail Burston. Don't be hating, guys. ArtMinds Mysterious, and I am going to do all I can to make you proud, Gail, with these paints. This guy right here you saw me use the other day, my sweet friend Julie Vatcher. Julie Vatcher's Art uses this, and I'm like, that's a pretty cool paint. This is Sargent Art Liquid Metals, and this is the Aztec Gold. This yummy guy right here, I can't get enough of these paints, guys. These Art Alchemies. This is Stormy Ocean. I just wish they were in bigger containers because I go through them like crazy. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, guys, but this is a handsome, handsome blue. This guy right here was, I was a bit of a mad scientist with this guy because I wanted a little bit of a contrast. This has got more of a yellow copper to it, and this is more of a brown copper to it. This is DecoArt Metallics. This is their copper. Now I put this in my cup, probably about an ounce of paint, and then I drizzled a little bit of the Art Alchemy. What the hell is this? I'm sorry, guys, the writing's so small. Brass hardware. And then I stirred it up and I looked at it and I said, well, let's fiddle with that just a little bit more. And so I added the gold Umber by Art Alchemy as well, until I got it to the right shade that I wanted. This fella right here is my Amsterdam's Titanium White. Now this paint is very thick. It takes a lot of mixing. I mixed this Amsterdam White longer than I mixed all four of these other colors, and then I start out with it so I can let it sit and kind of dissolve a little bit more and then stir it up a little bit more. But the Amsterdam paints, they're not as creamy to mix up. That doesn't mean they're bad. By no means are they bad. Our paint to pouring medium ratio, 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium on all of these paints. The Amsterdam, I added just a little bit of water to it to get it to the same consistency as these other guys. My pouring medium today, 75% Floetrol, 25% Golden GAC 800. So I'm excited about this pour. Not quite sure what I'm going to do. I might do some swiping. I might do a traveling ring pour. I don't know. I'm going to noodle over this for a few more minutes and you'll know as soon as I know, guys. Thanks for joining me. Always happy when you do. Let's get busy.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite. Can feel it, can feel it, can feel it. And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. I hear your laughter from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess. I thought I'd never wanna stay. I was dead wrong. I have tried to look away. I'm not that strong. Promise me don't make me wait here too long. Tell me if it is too late. Is it too late? I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess. So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess. I hear your laughter from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and